here, Louie. I got the mic right here. Hey, I'm down here with my guy Louie. Come on over here, dog. I'm down here with my guy Louie. This will be my last day down here. Whatever. We down. Come here, man. Come on over here. Anyway, we down here at Wild Wheel. We finna blow up. I mean, literally. Now, I've been part of this project, and I work for Remco Demolition, and I just want to tell Tim that I appreciate him giving me the opportunity, along with Matt, Nick, Justin, and all the other foremen, especially the laborers, my guy Joe B. And I'm saying I'm going out with a bang, man. I love you guys. That's the alarm. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire! Buddy? What's going on? Hey, this is my favorite buddy right here, Jeremy. Yeah, you sure? You know I did. Yeah, this is my favorite buddy. This is my buddy here. Hey, Greg.
All day long.
Well, I learned it from you.
Makes you feel better, don't it?
Yeah, you taught me that. You already know it, buddy.